What's up, guys? We are in the trailer today. We still haven't made it down to our shop yet, but we picked up a Mike BOS car, and that chassis is awesome. We're getting ready for that this year, but we've also went to Tyler Caheely, picked up a 790 bracket motor that he builds. It looks great. We're going to mount it on the chassis today and get everything ready for the racetrack. All right, guys, here we are so far. This is what we've got done. So we have mounted the engine to the motor mount, and then also went ahead and run our fuel lines, attached our air filter. If you go to the other side, you see where we've put clutch assembly is ready to go, belts on. We also went ahead and installed the drain plug so that we can drain oil out of this thing, and what Tyler recommended was every 4 passes, so that's what we'll be doing. He really done a good job of getting this thing ready to go. We have not really had to touch much of anything. Carburetor intake is already mounted, header is already mounted. So at this point we have got a coil wire to put on and then attach a throttle cable and a couple other things, and we will be ready to fire this thing up. Alright guys, so we about got this thing ready to rock here. We've got the throttle cable is attached and went ahead and adjusted that. Everything is good there. We've got the safety switch, one of the ground out safety switches there, ready to go. The ignition, the coil wire here, we've got it attached to the coil, and had to tighten that up just a little bit. It was a little bit loose. We didn't want it coming off going down the track or anything like that, so we crimped that just a bit. The crank support plate here is good to go, and if you go to the other side, also here, ready to go. We've got a couple of shaft collars we've got to order, and that's about the last thing we need here. So this thing has went together really nice so far. We're hoping to get the Micron on and all the leads and everything that go along with it here soon. But for now, this is where we've made it to. Everything looks really good. It's gone together really nice. No major issues whatsoever. So yeah, that's where we're at so far, guys. All right, guys, so that's pretty much a wrap for today. We got a lot done. Really happy with the progress we've made today and the things that we've gotten done. Everything that we've got on this car right now is going together really, really well, and it looks super cool too. So really happy where we're at. I think we're going to have a great season with this car. It looks like everything's going to come together nice, and hopefully we can get through it without too many major issues. So be sure and check out our next video. In that video, we'll be installing the Micron on this car and also breaking this motor in for the first time. It hasn't been cranked yet, so we'll have some break-in oil and some things like that we got to go through. We got to get with the engine builder on this and make sure we do it all correctly. But anyway, that's a wrap for today, and we'll see you guys next time.